Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you most George's crochet fancy bags. Number 1. Hippie shoulder bag granny square crochet bohemian purse. Number 2. Handmade woman shoulder handbag. Number 3. Tote bag summer aesthetic knit bag for women. Number 4. No one crafts round rotten bag for women. Number 5. The Sake Woman's Siulita crochet backpack. Number 6. Large smartphone crossbody bag in hand crochet and fox leather. Number 7. Ready Artistry crochet brown shoulder. Number 8. Louis Sui crochet mesh tote bag retro summer herbal bag for women. Thanks for watching.